Guys, today I am going to explain you very interesting thing in Microsoft Excel, and this is very useful. It will reduce your timing, and yani, uh, it will give you too much help in create database or searching, and you can search records very easily, and you can impress your friends also. So let's start without wasting our time. Okay, guys, this is my database I created, and there are the second one. This is for the search box. I will show you how I did it and how I will create this box. So this is my database I created. You can make the yani, dummy database. I will attach this file so you can practice for from this file. Okay, so this is the first one. I put the salesman, items, units, unit price, and all these things. You can create your database, yani, about the games, about the movies, or whatever. Yani, it's depend on your work. And this one, I see, I just copy this from here and I paste it here because I need the records for this. These are the titles and I need the records here. Okay, so I will paste here this. I copied from here and I paste it here. Now we start this. So the first thing what you have to do, the first thing we have to create the table. There is a table already, but now we will create the table for searching. Here in this sheet, we will search all the record, and here we will put one search box, and in the search box, whatever name you will write, if it will be in the database, it will come to you. If it will be not in database, it will show you the error message doesn't match or whatever you want. Okay, so the first I come here and I select this whole thing and I go to insert table. Okay, so I selected this. Now when I click on it, I will see here the table name. You can write any of the table name, like I write data. Okay, and I click anywhere. So yani this, now we have saved this table. The table name is data. In the second sheet, in the search box, and here I will write one of the formula. I will write the formula here because I need all the records here. Okay, so see, this is the search box. In this search box, I will write the salesman name, and that salesman data will come here. Okay, you can choose any other things, yeah, like you can search by item or units or unit price, but now because the first one, the salesman name, if we have four salesmen like John, the data will show. Or so yani you can choose with any of it, but now I am choosing with the salesman. Okay, so here I will write the formula, and you know in Excel when we write any formula we use is equal to sign, we write filter. Okay, now I will come back here. Okay, and I will select this. When I select this, automatically it will come the data because the table name is data. Okay, here I will write from data I need salesman. Again, you can choose any of it. Uh, you have to make sure if S is capital or M is capital, you have to write it. You can press this without shift key. uh, you can see now salesman already it's highlighted. Now we have to search, we have to filter the record in the second sheet, so we will write here is equal to search and shift, hold the shift button and press 1. So you will find this, press enter. Now where we have to search, here. So this is the search box C1. So this is the formula if we have the record in our database. Okay, Now, what will happen if we doesn't have the record in our database? So we will write comma and inverted commas. We will write, suppose record does not match or does not exist. Whatever you will write in inverted commas, it will come the same. Okay. So this is the formula if we have the record in our database, and this is the formula, not the formula, this is just if we don't have the record, so this will be the error. Enter. Okay, so now you can see the record does not match. But if I write any of the data, any of the salesman name, because I put the formula with the salesman. Okay, if you put the item or with anyone or all, so you can find from any of it. Okay, suppose I write here Sharik and enter, so you can see now all the Shariks are here. If I write here Kashif, so you can see now there is the record. Okay, if in the formula I write not the salesman, I write all. Okay, so here you can take any of it, or if you don't want with the salesman, you want to search with item or with anyone, so you can put it. But now here I put as a salesman, it will show. See now, suppose I write Sharik again, because this is more than one. This is me. Okay, so now you can see all the data, it's showing the name what I search. Okay guys, so I know you need practice. I will attach this file with my video and you can practice on this and inshallah I will explain you in my next video more exciting thing about the Excel. So till the next video, take care. Bye.